excuse me.
God bless you.
Die Einwohner, it means like the population.
Residents or the population.
Die Insel means island.
Yeah.
Brauchen, it means need.
Yeah.
Verstehen is to understand. Kennen,
Yeah.
lernen, it means kennen is usually to know and lernen is like to study.
Yeah. Can I learn? Get to know.
Yeah, get to know. Okay.
Yeah.
And their Spark course is the language course. Then
Yeah. Right.
Startfinden is like take place.
Yeah.
And Vergleichen is compare.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Now we'll start with the topic. Just give me a second. Sorry.
Alles gut.
We'll be doing the topic while. That means because.
Okay.
Yeah. Is my screen visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Okay. You know what is Hauptsatz and what is Nebensatz?
Wie bitte?
You know what is Hauptsatz and what is Nebensatz?
Yeah, Ozag. I know like Ozag not Nebensat.
Okay, let me explain.
Yeah, Ozag is like there will be like the subject, verb, and object. That is Ozag, I guess.
Yeah, Hauptsatz also. I think you are saying a different word, but Haupt is the main and Satz is sentence. Hauptsatz. This is how you can learn it. As we have said ना,
Okay.
Haupt अभी हमारे पास word भी था Hauptstadt main city करके
Uh-huh.
capital.
Yeah.
Just like that, Haupt is main, Satz is sentence, main sentence.
Okay, main sentence.
Then we
Nebensatz is
have
like there's some kind of side or like what we can say connecting sentence. So what?
helping. Yeah, helping,
Oh, help.
helping sentence.
Okay, okay, okay.
You don't write. First of all, I'll write and then I'll explain. Then I'll give you the time to write. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Just read what I'm writing.
Okay.
Okay. So we can say this is the main clause. This is the subordinate clause. Okay?
Okay.
That's the main clause and that's the subordinate clause.
Okay, got it.
Now, what is the meaning of while? That is because.
Because
For meaning, we have word Bedeutung.
Bedeutung. And bedeuten is like a verb, right?
Yeah, to mean.
Okay. Yeah, to mean. Even you can even use like do minds also, right? Like mine and
Yeah, for the like to mean के लिए ना.
yeah. Like what do
हाँ
you
हाँ
mean? You
हाँ.
say like you say like we minds too.
I didn't understand what you said.
Like
Like,
like what
you
I
mean
said
if you
was
want
like
to ask, if you want to ask that, what do you said for that?
no, I didn't meant that. I meant that like the if you are considering a mean, right? Like the word mean, it has you
Mm-hmm.
can even use bedeuten also as well as meinen, right? Like we minds
हाँ,
too, like
was that will be like
uh,
was minus
do.
do. This will be the
Okay,
sentence.
okay.
Yeah.
And even there is a because you can even use den also, right? Like DENN.
Yeah, that's a different thing. But usually, if we talk about main because is the while only. We use then
Okay,
in like minor cases. If you want to
okay,
give a reason for anything, better use while. Even for while, we have two methods to write while. I'll tell you
okay.
both. You can choose any one. किसी भी मेथड से आप सेंटेंस लिखोगे नॉट अ बिग डील दोनों मेथड सही रहेंगे जो मेथड आपको इजी लगे आप वो यूज कर सकते हो
Yeah, okay.
या सो द फर्स्ट रूल इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस
Verb.
subject plus verb plus object
Okay.
okay
Subject, verb plus
दिस इज
object.
द हाउप्टजार्ट्स हमारा
Oh.
वाइल हमेशा मेरे टॉपिक का नाम क्या है
Nebensatz mit while means
इससे
like
आपको क्या पता चलता है कि वाइल हमेशा नेबनजार्ट्स के साथ ही आएगा हाउप्टजार्ट्स के
हाँ
साथ वाइल नहीं आएगा
हाँ
ओके सो नाउ comma which is compulsory then we have
while.
while plus subject plus object plus oh sorry
Yeah, kind problem.
अरे ये हो क्यों नहीं रहा
Verb. Oh, okay.
या
मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद वर्ब आता है.
राइट क्योंकि हमारा
Okay.
क्या है कंजंक्शन है अगर आपका ऐसे कंजंक्शन यूज होता है जिसकी वजह से आपका सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर इफेक्ट होता है तो हमारा वर्ब एंड में चला जाता है
Okay.
नेबनजार्ट्स usually we refer students to do this one like this route but the choice is totally yours. I'll write the second one too.
Okay. Second rule is also there. Wow.
Yeah, you can use anyone, but this one is more like comfortable or easy.
Okay.
Second one is we'll start with while. So the moment we'll start with while हमारा नेबनजार्ट्स पहले आ जाएगा हाउप्टजार्ट्स बाद में जाएगा तो अब हमारे नेबनजार्ट्स का
Okay.
रूल क्या था यहाँ पे पहले वाले में
Subject plus object plus verb.
सेम यहाँ आ जाएगा
Oh, okay. फिर
दिस
I
रूल
guess
इज
there will be
कॉल्ड
a comma.
verb verb rule
Oh, okay. Verb plus subject plus object. Yeah, I think
गॉट
that
इट
पहले वाला बेटर है शायद से.
है ना राइट
Uh,
इवन दो हम दो रूल्स इसलिए बताते हैं हम पहला भी बता के छोड़ सकते हैं बट सेकंड वन मैंने इसलिए बताया क्योंकि अभी आप आगे लेसन पढ़ोगे आप रीडिंग्स करोगे बहुत सारे लेसन में कंफ्यूज करने के लिए बच्चों को ये वाला रूल लगा रखा होता है सेकंड वाला तो वहां पे बच्चे बोलते
uh,
हैं कि वर्ब तो हमेशा सेकंड पे आता है लास्ट पे कैसे चला गया वर्ब हमेशा सेकंड पे आता है फर्स्ट पे कैसे आ गया वाइल तो हमेशा
uh,
कॉमा के बाद आता है वाइल स्टार्टिंग में कैसे आ गया तो ऐसे
uh,
सिली क्वेश्चंस बच्चों के माइंड में ना आए, तो जस्ट टू क्लियर दैट वी टेल द रूल, एंड दिस इज सॉरी Hauptsatz. Okay. Now first write it here, then I'll give you the examples.
Yeah.
That's fine. Or I should zoom in or zoom out.
Yeah, this is fine.
Okay. Tell me once you are done. Just a second. Let me mute myself.
Yeah, yeah. Gemacht. Can you go down? Gemacht.
Any doubt till here?
No.
Okay. So Nebensatz will while basically क्या होता है ये? Gives the answer to the warum, like why. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं आप जर्मन क्यों पढ़ रहे हो? Warum lernen Sie Deutsch? Give me the answer.
Ich.
If you can,
Okay.
like
Ja,
you
ja,
can
okay.
give
Ich
answer in
versuche.
your, yeah.
Ja, ich versuche in Deutsch. Äh, ich lerne Deutsch,
Hmm.
weil es ist richtig für Wohnen in Deutschland.
ओके बट अभी हमने क्या गलती करी? आपने क्या सेंटेंस बोला? एस एस वेस्टिश
हाँ, मतलब in
दैट इज
Wohnen,
इम्पोर्टेंट टू लिव इन जर्मनी.
ja.
आई एम लर्निंग जर्मन
Mhm.
बिकॉज दैट इज
It,
इम्पोर्टेंट टू लिव इन जर्मनी, राइट?
yeah, it is important to live. Yeah.
व्हाट वाज द वर्ब अकॉर्डिंग टू यू इन द सेंटेंस? वाइल के बाद जो आपने बोला उसमें क्या था? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपने वाइल के बाद जो सेंटेंस यूज करा, आई राइट द सेंटेंस, आई राइट योर सेंटेंस. Ich lerne,
Deutsch.
right?
Yeah.
While S means it. अब is, बट ये तो हमारा जाइन वाला वो है ना,
हाँ,
वर्ब.
हाँ, वो बाद में आएगा, हाँ बराबर। पर यहाँ पे
तो
दो
अब
वर्ब्स
आएगा
आ
यहाँ
रहे
पे एग्जैक्टली वही मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ.
Es wichtig.
Wistish, wistish, is,
Wick ist.
wistish.
Wichtig.
Remember, if you, yeah, wistish.
Okay, nochmal. Wichtig.
Right, perfect. So अभी हमने बोलना था सेंटेंस आई एम लर्निंग जर्मन बिकॉज इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, ये एक रीजन हो गया विद सिंगल वर्ब, है ना।
Mm-hmm.
तो ये हमारा
Yeah.
सेंटेंस हो गया, तो अब ये सेंटेंस यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गया, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे वर्ब यहाँ यूज कर लिया अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल।
Mhm.
हमारा वर्ब लास्ट में आ गया क्योंकि हमारा वाइल आ गया था, ठीक है। अब
Okay.
आगे का सेंटेंस क्या था हमारा, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू
For
लिव इन जर्मनी।
to live in Germany.
राइट, तो अब हमारा आगे का सेंटेंस क्या है, फॉर, वेट, वैसे इसमें उम आएगा बट उम वाली चीज आपको समझ नहीं आएगी अभी, आई राइट समथिंग एल्स।
Yeah.
इन
Okay.
डॉइचलैंड,
In wohnen.
मैं आपको कल बताया था, जब आप रह रहे हो तो उसके लिए लेबन ज्यादा अच्छा वर्ब रहेगा। बट हाँ,
Okay.
आप
In
वोनन भी यूज कर सकते हो, नो वरीज, दैट्स completely right, but लेबन like it sounds better.
okay.
Okay,
In Deutschland zu leben.
that is to live.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
We can't use to in the starting because we are having that, it's the rule, it's the first topic of B1।
Oh, okay.
अगर आप यहाँ पे जू नहीं भी यूज करते तो A2 के लेवल पे वो गलत नहीं होगा, इन डॉचलैंड लेवन भी बोल सकते हो आप। बट
Okay.
बीइंग स्मार्ट एज यू आर लिविंग इन जर्मनी, अगर आप सू यूज करोगे दैट विल साउंड मच बेटर, लाइक इट विल साउंड
Hmm.
लाइक यू हैव डन B1 ऑलरेडी।
Yeah. Okay.
गिव मी अ मोमेंट, आई एम हैविंग।
Yeah. Sure.
या, गॉट इट।
Yeah. Ich verstehe.
तो अब पहली चीज जो हमारे सेंटेंस में अभी गलती करी थी आपने, दैट यू यूज द वर्ब नॉर्मली, लाइक आपने सेकंड पोजीशन में बोला था एस
हाँ,
इज।
वो मैंने ist रखा था मैंने एस इस नहीं
या
होता
ठीक
है
है,
while es wichtig ist in Deutschland zu
राइट,
leben. Yeah, got it.
या, देन obviously while gives a reason or a cause,
Mm-hmm.
एंड रूल तो मैंने बता ही दिया कि अगर आप फर्स्ट यूज करते हो तो उसमें वर्ब आमेंडा, और अगर आप नॉर्मल थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेट वाला रूल यूज करते हो तो उसमें while विल बी इन द स्टार्टिंग, देन विल बी हैविंग द
Uh-huh.
verb comma verb thing, and then the normal
Uh-huh.
subject, then object.
Uh-huh. Yes, got it. But I think this one is like better. That second rule will be like more appropriate if you we have to remember it only for like for reading purpose. That is more better, I think.
Exactly, when you will be reading like उसमें confused ना हो, that's why we explain that।
Yeah.
और obviously conjugation हमेशा आएगी नेबनजार्ड्स के साथ, और हाउपजार्ड्स के साथ तो आती ही आती है।
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so now let's take some examples। I'm writing two sentences, try to merge them।
Okay.
Ich gehe heute nicht, 'n, 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 ' in the Schule. What do you think? This is the Nebensatz or the Hauptsatz?
This is the Hauptsatz.
Right. Yeah. And this one?
This is the Nebensatz.
Perfect. So yeah,
I think like a
try.
more appropriate will be like Ich bin krank. You can write, right?
Hi, you can use that too. That's fine. Your choice.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, I will try to like merge it up. Uh,
Yeah.
Ich gehe heute nicht in die Schule, weil uh, ich müde bin.
Perfect. Should I write the sentence while वाला लिख देती हूँ?
No, no, like I understood it. Like how you can ask me like different like questions. That will be more better.
Yeah, I was just writing it for your reference. If you think that's not okay,
Like
then
already I said it correctly, right?
yeah, yeah,
Suppose
yeah,
it was
100%.
wrong, then you would have, yeah.
Yeah, this was like the normal verb. And if we talk about modal verb, you know about modal verb, right?
Yes, I know.
So now we'll take a modal verb example. Mein Vater geht früh ins Bett. What do you think this is the Hauptsatz or Nebensatz?
Hauptsatz.
Haupt, it's the T sound. Haupt,
Hauptsatz.
yeah. Er, why are we using muss here? Musen or
He
why are, yeah.
he have to, right?
But why are we using mu double s? Can we write musen, must or something
No,
like
no,
that?
it's like conjugate. For air you use
Yeah,
muse.
yeah, right. Just a second.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. Ich versuche. Mein Vater get früh ins Bett, weil
yeah.
er
Now we have two
morgen,
verbs. Right.
uh, er
Er morgen.
morgen
Right.
muss aufstehen.
नो मोडाल वर्ब का रूल क्या होता है हमारा जनरली
Okay, yeah, yeah. It will be aufstehen muss.
यस वेरी गुड बिकॉज नो मैटर व्हाट हमारा मोडाल वर्ब जाएगा एंड में ही चाहे मैं यहाँ पे 10 वर्ब भी लिख दूं वो लाइन से
हाँ,
आएंगे एंड एंड में मोडाल वर्ब भी आएगा
हाँ, yeah, got it.
ओके आई राइट द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल next example we'll be taking of perfect you have done perfect in A1
Yes.
okay like are you fine with this way or I should follow another way I think
No,
this
it's
is
fine.
fine because
Yes.
like this you are the only one who will be learning better because you can answer
Yeah.
If I'll
Like
write
if
each
I'm
and
doing
every
something
answer.
mistake, you can correct me.
Yeah, exactly. Ich gehe nicht
Okay,
Yeah,
ich
tell me.
versuche, ich gehe nicht zur Schule, weil ich die Hausaufgabe nicht gemacht habe.
Could you please repeat?
Ja, ja, natürlich.
Yeah, yeah.
Ich gehe nicht zur Schule, weil
Right.
ich die Hausaufgabe nicht gemacht habe.
Very good. Let me take another example. पहले आप ये तीनों एग्जाम्पल्स ऐसा करो, लिख लो एंड
Aha. Ja, okay.
लाइक जब आप
Alles klar.
कभी भी नोट्स को रेफर करोगे तो इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. ईदर यू कैन राइट डायरेक्टली द आंसर्स इन योर नोटबुक सो दैट दैट विल बी गुड फॉर यू एंड यू कैन राइट लाइक नॉर्मल वर्ब प्रेजेंट में. दिस वन
Mhm.
वाज modal verb.
Ja, ja.
This one was perfect.
Okay, yes.
Then we'll be doing the example for like trend bar verb.
Okay.
ऐसा करते हैं, पहले मैं trend bar का भी लिख देती हूँ, then you can write all together.
Okay.
So we have written double N. Yeah. So if we talk trend bar verb, tell me what is trend bar.
Trennbar, ich vergesse.
कोई बात नहीं. Trend bar verb means trend bar solely means separable.
Oh,
कुछ याद आया?
separable verbs. Yes, yeah, I got it. Like aufstellen, vorstellen.
Yeah. Here we'll be using ausgehe.
Okay. Ausgehen means going out.
Sorry. Yeah. To go out.
Yes.
Like ausgehe is, I said that according to the ish because I was writing example of ish. The verb is
Yeah, yeah.
ausgehen.
Yeah, ausgehen.
Ich komme nicht. So party is make the sentence.
Okay. Uh, Ich komme nicht zur Party, weil ich heute
Mhm.
ausgehen.
Perfect. Very nice. Impressive. एक भी example गलत नहीं था. Now you can write these. Like first you can
Yeah.
write the separate sentences, then you should write the answer. Else your choice. I'll mute myself for 2 minutes.
Yeah, sure. Gemacht.
Yeah. Anything else? Like any doubt or something like that?
No, alles klar.
Okay. I'll write some like jumbled sentences. Two you
Okay.
have to do right now, and two or three I'll give you as a homework.
Yeah,
I'll
sure.
write them, then you'll write the answer, and then you will tell me. Try these.
Rudy is the name of the person in this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ich versuche. Uh, er ist müde, while Rudy viel gearbeitet hat.
Just tell me one thing. First we use noun, then we use pronoun referring to the noun, right?
Okay, okay, yeah, 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 yeah.
Got my
I did
point?
a mistake. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Correct, you are. Okay. Rudy is müde,
Yeah.
while
Muda. Muda.
müde,
Right.
while
Yeah.
er viel gearbeitet hat.
Perfect. Next one.
Okay. Michael. Uh,
Michelle, not Michael, Michelle.
Michelle. Okay, okay, Michelle.
Yeah.
Einen Moment bitte. Ich denke jetzt. Okay, yeah. Uh, Michelle lernt jetzt viel, weil er bald Prüfungen hat.
Michelle learned, yes, feel.
Weil
Yeah.
er bald Prüfungen hat.
Very good. And अभी आपने क्या बोला था denko वाला sentence repeat करना. That
Denko?
I am thinking it. You said it now. I am thinking it in
Ja,
German.
ich denke jetzt means like I'm thinking now.
Okay, okay, okay. I thought you said ich denke it's you know this one. IST. I was like no, that's wrong. Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
okay.
मेरे को लगा वो. Fine, I'll write two, three more, and till then you write these examples and with the answer, and then I'm writing two, three more. You can take the screenshot or you can write them. This is your house of Guava. Don't do it right now. No, tell me one thing. On the previous page, we have referred some sentences, and in that sentence, I wrote Sur party. Like I didn't write SCU like ZU, then party. I wrote ZUR. What do you think? Why
Yes.
I have written like that? Like why am I adding R to that? If we have
Yeah,
to
it
write
is like
two,
yeah, it
then
is
we have to
like
write
what
this.
we can say. What we can say. It's like party, right? So the party, it's becoming dative. So that is why zoo, their party, so it becomes zur party.
And why it is becoming dative?
Because uh, what we can say, It is zoo is like
Party
a dative article, right?
also, party was a indirect object, right?
Yes, yeah, indirect object too.
Like we had the subject there, which was nominative. Then, if we have the direct object, then we have that accusative.
Uh-huh.
That was the
Yeah,
indirect object. Also, the strong reason was Sue.
yeah.
Yeah, right. Yes. Write this one first, then I'll change the page.
Yeah. Sarah is like the name of the person, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Gemacht.
Okay. Do you know the meaning of Kopfschmerzen?
Yes, headache.
Right. I have written your name only.
Gemacht.
Okay, these both are fine because I'll be giving you a lesson to try. So that's enough.
Yeah, sure.
Like if I give you a lesson to do as a homework, you will be going to do that?
Aha. What we can say, I can read it out and then later on, like, I don't know, like, I think that listen is like better, like, when you are there in front of me and you can listen and then, correct me out. That will be like more better.
Yeah. Make sure please don't use dictionary much. Obviously, you can use a bit because like if you are रीडिंग अ सेंटेंस एंड उसमें आपको बिल्कुल कॉन्टेक्स्ट ही समझ नहीं आ रहा तो ठीक है यू कैन यूज डिक्शनरी फॉर वन और टू वर्ड्स फर्स्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द रीजन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट कॉन्टेक्स्ट कि क्या इस वर्ड का
Okay.
मीनिंग हो सकता है देन ट्राई टू सर्च द मीनिंग डोंट सर्च मीनिंग so much. Do you have the book Studio Day A2?
Yeah, I have got it. Like, I guess sir has sent me that.
Yeah. So
Okay,
on,
so which
if you can
1 minute?
open
Okay,
that.
let me open that one.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Okay. It's taking time. 1 minute.
It's
And
okay.
one touch.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm waiting.
Yeah. Which page number?
Seite Nummer 8.
Okay.
Ja, Einheit 1, Frage Nummer 1 oder Thema Nummer 1, Deutsch lernen.
Yeah. Ish.
You have to learn this,
Yeah.
you have to read 4 lines. This one, the CA refers to circa, that means approximately.
Yeah. Circa. Yeah. Circa.
Yeah.
Zwei, 20 Millionen Menschen in der Welt lernen Deutsch.
Yeah, you have to read this by your own. Then, if you understand that, that's very good. If you don't, try to search meanings. थोड़े बहुत. बाकी कल we'll discuss this from the beginning. So that's not a big deal. But make sure that you will do it by yourself too, and you have to read the next text also. Uh, Lenin biography.
Learn
Lenin
biography.
biography.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Learn biography.
bio.
Okay.
Yeah. The
Biography.
first
Okay. So.
first paragraph only Alice wala. You don't have to
Uh,
read Akira one.
okay. Okay. Alles klar.
And then the moment you read the paragraph, try this question. Seite Nummer 9, B part. Vergleichen Sie die Texte und finden Sie die Information.
Which one?
इसमें you have to, on page number 9, uh, after the paragraph of Akira, we have a small question. Question number B, named B, Vergleichen Sie die Text.
Yeah. Vergleichen means like compare the text, right?
Yeah. So
Mm.
इसमें you will read about Alice. Then you have to match कि इसमें से कौन से sentences Alice के paragraph से उसके character से
Okay.
match हो रहे हैं.
Yeah. Sure.
We have 4 sentences, I guess, which are matching.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a hint. Try to do that,
No,
else we'll
that was
discuss
like,
in
don't give me
class.
a hint. I'll try it on my own. Then later on, like we can check it, right?
Yeah, I just told you that 4 texts are
Mm.
matching. If you are
Yeah.
matching 3 or 5, then you are wrong. You have to do it again.
Yeah. Sure. Okay. Got it.
And tomorrow we'll be doing again a grammar topic, comparación. I thought हम आज ही करेंगे, but it's already 10:31. Never mind. It's a very small and sweet topic. We'll finish it in 15 minutes. Then we'll be
Okay.
doing uh, rest of the 45 minutes. We'll give to the books.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Anything you want to ask? Any doubt or something?
No, I have no questions for you.
Okay. Oh, okay. Just do these 2 examples and then please do the lesson.
Yeah. Sure.
Das ist alles für heute.
Okay.
Danke nur.
Yeah. Vielen Dank.